Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Friday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at our weather impact summary, we are expecting record or near record high temperatures today and Saturday as a ridge of high pressure builds across the region. By Saturday afternoon, that ridge begins to break down, and we will see critical fire weather conditions across portions of the region here on Saturday and Sunday. On Monday, we get a fairly vigorous low pressure system sweeping through the region. That'll bring cool and windy conditions to the region. We might even see a chance of valley rain and mountain snow across the region. Looking at current satellite imagery this morning, we do have a high pressure system centered over the western Great Basin this morning. That will expand northward to encompass a good portion of Idaho today and continue into Saturday. There is a weak low pressure system visible here off the Oregon coast. It's going to loft some energy up over the top of that ridge here on Saturday morning, and it will suppress the high to a certain degree, allowing some stronger winds to mix into the region. We'll take a look at those forecast graphics here in a minute. In the meantime, looking at our weather impact matrix, basically see warming temperatures across the region today, record or near record highs across the region on Saturday. And as I mentioned, that high pressure ridge will begin to break down. That's going to allow some gusty winds to mix into the region. So we have some moderate impacts indicated here in the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley in the Central Mountains, where we have a fire weather watch issued. Those conditions continue into Sunday as the ridge continues to break down, and the stronger winds now begin to shift into the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, and the southern highlands. We may see some lingering fire issues here across the southern portion of the south central highlands on Monday, but otherwise just some gusty winds and cooler temperatures, or moderating temperatures might be a better word, with rising humidities. And then on Tuesday, after that low pressure system goes through, we should be cooler region-wide, with a chance of mountain snow and valley rain across the east, and maybe a chance of rain or rain showers here in the Snake River Plain. Okay, that was a lot. Let's get to the forecast charts here. High temperatures today generally running upwards into the low to mid 90s, so near record warmth across the region. Minimum humidities generally down into the teens to lower 20s. And then as we get into Saturday with that high pressure ridge solidly in place across the region, we expect to see record highs in the mid to upper 90s throughout the Snake River Plain, and similar readings here in the Central Mountains. Minimum humidities for the day will be in the single digits to lower teens across a good portion of southeast Idaho. And with that, we will see some winds in the afternoon as that ridge begins to break down. We'll see these winds through the afternoon and evening hours here across the Central Mountains, and a good portion of the Snake River Plain here in the evening hours, with gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour. As I mentioned, the ridge continues to break down on our way into Sunday, and the stronger winds will now shift down into the eastern Magic Valley, the south central, southern Snake Plain, and the south central highlands here, where we're looking at 30 to 35 mile an hour wind gusts across that broad area. As I mentioned, we do have a low pressure system dropping south through Montana on Monday. The leading edge of that precipitation will work into the northeast portion of our area on Monday afternoon, and slip south along the Wyoming border through the night, which will bring us a chance of precipitation here in the Snake Plain, and a chance of rain and mountain snow in the higher elevations of the northeast and eastern highlands. In addition to that, just ahead of that incoming system, we will see very strong northerly flow dumping over the divide and down the Snake River Plain Monday night. So we're watching that one. That looks to be very interesting. And it'll obviously bring some colder temperatures to us for Tuesday, with highs only getting up into the upper 50s to lower 60s across the region. Okay, to review what we had going on here, we have a high pressure ridge building into the region. It'll bring us record to near record highs today and Saturday. That ridge will begin to break down Saturday afternoon and continue into Sunday, which will open the door for critical fire weather conditions across the region. We do have a low pressure system sweeping south through the area Monday night. That'll bring cool and windy north flow overspreading the region and cooler temperatures going into Tuesday with a chance of valley rain and mountain snow showers. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.